familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing best Indian street food. Culinary diversity of India is one of its greatest treasures. The diversity in Indian food can be attributed to the diverse geography and climate of the subcontinent. The wealth of flavors of Indian cuisine can be relished in its street food too. Street food in India is popular and pocket friendly. Some of these Indian dishes have become a part of regular restaurant menus too, though they taste the best when eaten from the stalls or counters along the roadside. Golgappe, a widely popular traditional Indian food and is known by several names in different states across the country, known as Pani Puri in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Puchka in Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal, Golgappe in New Delhi, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh, Pani ki batashe in parts of Uttar Pradesh, Gupchup in Odisha, Hyderabad and South Jharkhand. This spicy and tangy savory Indian dish can be enjoyed anywhere in India. These water balls are favorites of the Indians. They consist of a crispy fried spear which is poked and stuffed with spicy mixture of tamarind chutney, chili, chaat masala, potato, onion, chickpeas. These are then filled with flavored waters and pooped right into the mouth. Vada pav. This dish is a native of Maharashtra and is almost a staple for those living in Mumbai. It is the Indian version of burger, prepared by placing a deep fried mashed potato fritter, vada, inside a sliced bread bun. Green chilies and spicy chutneys are served as condiments. It is a spicy and filling snack which is pocket friendly and is enjoyed across all parts of India. Poha Jalebi. It is a staple breakfast of Madhya Pradesh and you can enjoy a delectable plate of it in Indore. Poha is a light and nutritious snack made of flakes of flattened or beaten rice that is cooked with onion, potatoes, curry leaves, turmeric and spices. It is garnished with same, coriander and topped off with lime juice. Jalebi is an Indian dessert and is popular all over South Asia and the Middle East. It is made by deep frying maida batter in pretzels or circular shapes, which are then soaked in sugar syrup. Poha jalebi is served as a combination. A plate of it can be defined as a perfect burst of flavors. The delectable mix of sweet and salty flavors of this poha jalebi make it more delicious. Bel puri. It is a savory snack and belongs to the chaat. It is made of puffed rice, onion, vegetables, coriander, peanuts, namkeen, spices, lemon juice and a tangy tamarind sauce. The recipe has been reinvented across almost all states of the country and has been modified to suit the local palate. The Bengali variant of Bel puri is made by adding oil and chili to the other ingredients called jalmuri. Mysore variants of Bel puri is known as churmuri. In Mangalore, it is similar dish of puffed rice mixed with carrot, tomato, spices, jaggery along with some coriander leaves. Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji is a Maharashtrian fast food dish consisting of spiced mixture of mashed vegetables in a thick gravy, garnished with chopped onions, corianders, lime juice, served hot with a soft buns which have been dipped in butter. This perfect blend of mild variety of veggies along with exotic mix of spices is a favorite as it is flavorful and pocket friendly too. Paddu. It is a popular finger food in southern states of India such as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Paddu is a smaller version of dosa with a slightly sour taste. These are also known as ponganalu or paniyaram and are made of a batter which is made of soaked black lentils and rice in a mold. They taste amazing with filter coffee and are served with coconut chutney. So these are some of the best Indian street foods. And this is all in this video. See you guys in another interesting video. Till then, take care.